Fiat Ducato 2016, should be branch, stick it out, smash my indicator glass straight off. You can't just buy the glass because it's a sealed unit, so you have to buy the whole thing. Off eBay, I'll put a link in the description down below. I'll show you now how to change it. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I've got to go put the ignition on and hopefully push the glass right back. But in the meantime, I'm going to push the wind mirror right back, and we've got to get into here. That's where we need to get. Okay, pop the ignition on. Select your selector here from, it's usually on neutral. Connect it to the left hand side. I think that's the top one. I'm pretty sure it is. Hold on 1 second. Yep, that's the one. So if we look over there, I'm going to push it all the way in, but electronically. Okay. Okay, and that reveals 2 screws. So I'm going to undo them now. Big, smaller screwdriver than that. Okay, 2 seconds. Put them safe. My pocket. Right, so then, right, I'll have to show you this. Hold on 2 secs. Just pulling out like so. It is held in as well by these 2 little nodules sticking out. Okay, so then we have to undo the bulb, which is awkward. Hold on a sec. According to this, if you look at it, you turn it anti-clockwise. Okay. Oh, that is tight. And then there we go. Easy them out. There's 2 types. There's one that comes pre-coloured, which has got the amber colour in it of the bulb, which is, it's got a here, which has got that'll have a clear bulb. Mine's not. Mine's the full clear one. Let me show you that now. Okay, eBay, $9.95. I think it was, so a tenner. Totally clear. There we go. Make sure you order the right one. So this is the offside that had gone. You can see the 2 little indents in there, so you push them in. Oh, that's easy. That must be one of the quickest repairs ever. And then the 2 slots line up. That's better. So we've got the 2 slots, they go in, push it back. Screwdriver and a screw. Such a simple, so simple. Right. Over tighten, put your wing mirror back where you want it, which is like that. Go back in your driver's seat, and then let's correct them with the mirror. There we go. Ignition on. So I haven't touched it, it's all the same position. So you want to look at that. Now we can't see anything, and I want to see the side of my van. So, oh, that's up and down. Where is it left? There we go. Perfect. And that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching. Take care. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like. And we'll catch you definitely in the next one. All the best.